How to reset your Roblox password if you forgot it. If you can't sign into your Roblox account because you've forgotten your password, this tutorial will walk you through the process. First, open the Roblox app or go to the Roblox website. On the sign-in screen, tap or click Forgot Password or Username. Next, enter the email address or phone number associated with your Roblox account. Then tap Submit. Roblox will send you a password reset link by email or a verification code by text message, depending on the recovery method you choose. Open the email or text message, then follow the instructions to verify your identity. Once verified, enter your new password, confirm it, and submit the changes. After your password has been reset, return to the Roblox sign-in screen and log in using your new password. So it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Roblox tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.